Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play the iconic Piano Man melody on the harmonica easily. First, let's get comfortable with the instrument. Hold your harmonica gently between your thumb and index finger, allowing your hands to form a small chamber around it. This hand position helps create a richer, fuller sound. Remember to relax your mouth and lips to form an airtight seal, and breathe deeply from your diaphragm for steady, controlled airflow. These foundational steps are crucial for clear, resonant notes. Now that you're holding the harmonica correctly, let's talk about the key and the very first notes. For Piano Man, you'll typically use a C harmonica. The main melody begins on hole 4, played by blowing into it. Practice blowing and drawing on individual holes to ensure each note is clear and distinct. Focus specifically on holes 4, 5, and 6, as these 3 holes are essential for playing the opening phrase of the song. Getting these single notes right is key. Let's dive into playing the main chorus melody, that famous do-do-do, dee-dee-dee part. This section primarily uses holes 4, 5, and 6. You'll start by blowing on hole 4, then drawing on hole 4, and then blowing on hole 5. Continue this pattern by drawing on hole 5, blowing on hole 6, and finally drawing on hole 6. Practice this sequence slowly and deliberately. Focus on smooth transitions between notes to build muscle memory and achieve the correct rhythm. Once you have the notes down, it's time to add rhythm and expression to truly bring Piano Man to life. You can use your tongue to block off certain holes, helping you isolate single notes and create a more rhythmic feel. Experiment with varying your breath pressure. A softer breath for quieter parts and a stronger one for emphasis adds dynamics. Also, try hand wah effects by opening and closing your hands around the harmonica. Most importantly, listen closely to the original song to capture its unique timing and emotion.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.